What's up, everybody? Welcome to G from BC. Gary here today with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be installing the AEV Snorkel on the Jeep today. Pretty excited. I've been holding it off for a bit just because we're gonna be cutting on through the hood, but let's get it started. Steve is here to help me out again. What up, Steve?
What's up?
It's good. Well, the good thing is the rig's back to getting damaged again because I finally figured out the codes. So it's time to destroy this rig again. Jeep life, bro. But anyways, here are the parts. The main snorkel, parts right here. And then we have the hardware just to install it. The reason why we have these masking here is we have to cut through the actual hood. Don't worry about Steve. Yeah, we're gonna be cutting through the hood itself and then cutting a template after. So we're gonna be measuring 23 millimeters from the indentation from here. So we're gonna go right here. All right, time to start sticking the template onto here. So it's gonna look like that. All right, so we got the outline ready. Now we're just gonna start using the hole punch. Sure, dude.
Do it a couple times today.
All right, so punctured the hole now. Ready to start drilling. No going back. So mainly Steve did this, but we got the two holes cut out, and then now we're just gonna cut the sides and the top part. We're gonna continue on with this installation. No looking back now. All right, so got the part here cut out now. I just gotta clean it up a little bit. It's still pretty raw, but for first time doing using a grinder for me, not too bad. But yeah, just gonna clean that up a little bit more. All right, so now Steve's just putting a line. That's where we're gonna be cutting like a quarter. Was it a quarter inch from the edge, Steve? Roughly, yeah. Just to allow the snorkel part to go to the air intake box right there.
Smack in the face, both of them.
All right, just gonna line that up and get this back into place.
We removed the air box so that we can start connecting it to the snorkel.
All right, so just separated this, whatever this is, from the actual filter itself. And I'm just gonna get the bracket started for the snorkel.
Okay, so I was actually installing this incorrectly. The right way of installing this is by having the mounting and return face the other way. All right, next, time to remove the 4 bolts located on the passenger side and on the engine bay. You'll be using these bolts to mount the snorkel later. We didn't get to film it, but we added some touch-up paint on the exposed metal. Then we connected the air intake box to the snorkel with the 2 provided rivets. Then we sealed the outside seam of the air box with silicone. After that, we reinstalled the air intake box back to place and mounted the snorkel. Next, we started installing the trim piece onto the hood. And to end things off, I installed the snorkel top, and voila, the AEV Snorkel is fully installed.
Hey guys, it's actually been a week since we installed the snorkel and really happy about how it looks. I'm really excited about tomorrow because I get to test it out. There's a few places that me and Steve are going tomorrow that has a bit of river crossing, and yeah, can't wait to share that video for you guys. That's probably gonna be coming out maybe sometime next week or in a couple of weeks or so, but stay tuned to that. Also, for this step-by-step instruction of how to install the snorkel onto your Jeep, my friend Will from Venture Rome actually made a really good video out of it. So I've linked the video on this corner right here for you guys to check out, and also the description down below. Before I end the video, I just want to say big thank you to Kelly for allowing me to come over to shop to install the snorkel. I've linked his YouTube channel down below, and also OK Tires information as well. I also want to say thank you to Steve for helping me out install the snorkel as well too. Appreciate it, brother. And also for Troy and Kaylee for stopping by, and Kaylee for shooting some of the footages for me. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to the channel. I have a goal to hit 5,000 subscribers by the summertime, and I know it's a huge goal, but it's a personal goal that I'd like to attain, so we can keep this ball rolling. And yeah, hopefully you guys would consider subscribing. Also hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any future videos. Until next time guys, like always, stay awesome. It's like putting a eyeliner. Steve's doing some eyeliner stuff.
Okay.
Sure.
You want to do it for you?
No, I want to try.
Just push down. Harder, 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 harder.
What the?
Oh, take it.
Blooper. Huh?
Go slow.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Come on, tip those.
I think that's why I couldn't get a good grip, because I was on my tippy toes. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the blooper reel that I created for you guys. For more videos, check out these two videos that I have right here. Let me just move to the side. Right here. Go check them out. Definitely will help out the channel to get recognized by the YouTube algorithm. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys next week. Actually, I'll see you guys Sunday. Bye.